Let's make this very low budget okra Ogbonno soup together while I share a story from one of my followers. I am an undergraduate and I have been dating my boyfriend for 4 years now. We met at a bar where I was working then, and in 2020 we started dating. It was all fun all through, to be sincere, because ever since I met him, my off days at work was the best days of my life. It was great because he always makes it up to me, and that made me fall harder for him. He always gives me almost everything I wanted. Throughout that year, he even rented an apartment for me, although I also contribute. He changed my phone 3 times because of my carelessness. I asked him about his job and he said he was into transportation, that his work is to take records of all the keke in the estate. And I said okay, to find out later that he drives keke too. At first I was very angry that he lied to me, but I later forgave him after a lot of apology. So I asked him now how he raises so much money, and he said he had about 3 other keke that people drive for him, which I found out later, and it was actually the truth. Fast forward to 2022, I lost my job, although before then we planned that I would stop working. So later on, he noticed that I do send money to my family, so he advised me to invest the money before I spend it all. Although he never said I should not give my family money, he just said I should use my sense, because I gave my sister 400,000 to start a job business, which she promised she will return it after 6 months. But till today, I can swear that she never returned that money. Told me that I deserve to buy keke, at least I will be making money every week. So I agreed with him. I bought keke for about 1.5 million naira. That was all I had then. The money was not even enough, so he added money for me, because in the estate there are some payments you have to make before your keke start working in that estate. Every week I do receive 30,000 naira from the keke business. All of this I did not tell my family, but I kept on sending them money. After I stopped working, even before then, I gave my mom money to keep her business going. I told them that I am not working again, so they should stop asking me for money, because I have plans now. I'm the only one in my family that did not further her education because of the situation at home. I know how we suffered to send my sister to the university and how she is now a graduate since 2018. Omo guys, our time don't finish, video don't finish. Just like this video and follow me, make you no miss part 2.